Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Update po tayo sa mga benefits, Ito po, nahuhuli na po itong mga schools na ito sa kanilang medical allowance. Ito po yung mga bagong release, tingnan po natin. Ito, Gataran National Trade School, Abulog School of Fisheries, Abulog National Rural and Vocational High School. So again, ito po ay para sa medical allowance, Ito pa, Alcala Rural School, Sanchez Mera School of Arts and Trades, Kamalanigan, Kamalanigan High School, Enrile Vocational High School, Pamplona National School of Fisheries, Division of Cagayan, ang laki, 81,291,000 pesos. Ito pa, Tuaw Vocational and Technical School, Itawi National Agriculture and Technological School. Ito pa po, Bukig National Agricultural and Technical School, Solana Freshwater and Fisheries School, Amulong National High School, Alakapan Vocational High School, Western Cagayan School of Arts and Trades, Claveria School of Arts and Trades, Apari School of Arts and Trades, Santa Ana Fishery National High School, Peña Blanca National High School, Claveria Rural and Vocational School. Ito pa po, Bagabag National High School, Nansyakan National High School. Again, ito pa ay para sa mga bagong listahan ng mga school na mayroong medical allowance, Ito pa, Bonfal National High School, Bintawan National High School, Quezon National High School, Solano High School, Udyawan National High School, Diadi National High School, Salinas National High School. Ito, Division of Nueva Vizcaya. Ang laki. 32,396,000 pesos. Again, ito ay para sa 2025 medical allowance. Ito pa, Kasibu National Agricultural School, Nueva Vizcaya General Comprehensive High School, Lamo National High School, Alfonso Castañeda National High School, Aritao National High School, Bambang National High School, at ito, nahuhuli po sila, yung Pulumulok National High School na 90,000 pesos para sa FY 2025 World Teachers Day Benefits. Actually, hindi lang kayo ang nahuli, Kami rin ay wala pa rin kaming tig 1,000 pesos para dito sa World Teachers Day Benefit. Nako, mga ka-Jesnabs, hanggang dito na lang po muna. Thank you for having me. Paki-subscribe naman kung hindi nyo pa ito nagagawa. Bye-bye!